Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make a delicious Indian-style pasta salad at home. First, let's prepare our pasta. Select a short pasta shape, such as fusilli or pen, as these hold the dressing well. Cook your pasta al dente according to the package directions, which usually takes about 8 to 10 minutes. Once cooked, drain it thoroughly and rinse with cold water to stop the cooking process. Finally, toss the cooled pasta with 1 teaspoon of oil to keep it from sticking together. Now, let's infuse some vibrant Indian flavors into our salad. Choose a colorful array of fresh vegetables like finely diced bell peppers, red onion, and crisp cucumber for a delightful crunch. For added substance and protein, consider mixing in some cooked chickpeas or small cubes of paneer. Don't forget to chop in plenty of fresh cilantro and a few mint leaves for their aromatic freshness. A pinch of chaat masala will truly elevate the Indian essence. The dressing is key to a fantastic pasta salad. For our Indian-style version, start by combining plain yogurt, the juice of 1 lemon, and a touch of honey for sweetness. Next, whisk in essential Indian spices, about 1 teaspoon of cumin powder, half a teaspoon of red chili powder, and a 1/4 teaspoon of black salt. If the dressing is too thick, thin it out with 1 or 2 tablespoons of water. Always taste and adjust the seasonings to achieve a perfect balance of sweet, sour, and spicy notes. Finally, it's time to bring everything together. In a large mixing bowl, gently combine your cooled pasta, all the prepared vegetables, and the delicious Indian-inspired dressing. Make sure to mix thoroughly so that every single ingredient is evenly coated with that wonderful flavor. For the best taste, chill your pasta salad in the refrigerator for at least 30 minutes before serving. Garnish with a little extra fresh cilantro or a sprinkle of crispy sev for an added textural element. Enjoy your homemade Indian pasta salad.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.